that you completed yesterday as you were reading The Blind Man and the Elephant, and now in part 2 of this video, I'm going to introduce the text that you are going to read today. So today is a fable. It is actually from Japan, and in this story, you are going to learn about 2 frogs that live in separate towns. One lives in the town of Osaka on the seacoast, and the other lives in the city of Kyoto. You can see frog number 1 here and frog number 2 in this illustration. So these frogs, they make a decision that they are going to visit the other town because they've never really traveled outside of their town. And when they do, something kind of funny happens toward the end of the story. So your job today is to read this Japanese fable and learn about what happens to these 2 frogs that are going to venture to a neighboring town. As you read, I do recommend that you complete that graphic organizer, again, identifying those story elements such as the main characters, the setting where the story is taking place, the problem that they are faced with, some of the main events that happen in this fable, and then finally the solution or the outcome. What happens at the end? Is their problem solved? After you complete that graphic organizer while you're reading, then you're going to complete a discussion post. In that discussion post, you are going to describe the solution or the outcome of this story. You are actually going to focus on this last sentence right here. At the end of their lives, they believed that Osaka and Kyoto, which are as different as 2 towns can be, were as alike as 2 peas. So we're going to focus in on just this sentence, and in that discussion post, you are going to explain to me what the author means by this sentence. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I cannot wait to read your responses.